How to change your Instagram name without Facebook name on 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more interesting tutorials, and make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistakes. So first of all, if you want to change your Instagram name without your Facebook name being changed, you can simply go to Instagram and click on your profile on the bottom right and click on edit profile. Now if you click on name, you will be taken to a page where you will have to enter your Facebook info, and then you will be logged into Facebook on the web. And when you will change your account name on Instagram, it will be automatically changed to Facebook. But if you want to avoid that and you want to change your name only on your Instagram account, you can go to settings and privacy and go to account center and tap on profiles. Now you'll have tap on the profile, and now you'll simply have to click on Instagram on the bottom, and you'll have to turn off sync profile info, and then you'll be able to change your Instagram name only without your Facebook name being changed. So that's how you can easily change your Instagram name without your Facebook name in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.